Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now, resetting your device through recovery mode will allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one set that you just don't remember, this will completely get rid of it. Now, I'll mention this right away just so there is no misconception later on. When doing this, chances are your device will become FRP locked, and just to explain what that is, it's a lock that you will need to later on verify once the reset is finished by once you're going through the setup process. It will be stopped and it will tell you to either put in the previously set up screen lock, but assuming you're doing this because you don't know it, that leaves you with the secondary option, which is verifying the Google account that was logged in on this device. Now, if no account is logged in on the device, then it won't be locked, but for the most part, I'm pretty sure almost everyone will have some kind of Google account logged in, just because you need it to download any kind of apps through Play Store as an example. So with that being said, I'll also be making a video on how you can bypass this if your device becomes locked and you don't know either one of them, so neither the Google account nor the screen lock. I'll be showing you a guide on how you can bypass this, but that will be in the next video. So anyway, sticking with this one, I'm gonna lock the device and you will see that I do have a pattern. So I'm gonna start off from here by holding the power key, then selecting power off. And once the phone turns off, you wanna hold power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna do so right now. Now, once you see the INFINIX logo, you will want to let go of only the power key, but then keep holding volume up. When you see the XOS with no command under, hold the power button and press volume up once, and this will redirect us to our recovery mode. In here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm it with power button, then select Factory Data Reset, again confirm that. Give it a second. As you can see at the bottom, you should see Data Wipe complete after just a brief moment, at which point Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power key once again to initiate that reboot. Now the reboot will take a little bit longer than you might be used to, and that is because the device is still continuing a reset of itself in the background. So just give it a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.